Hi. In the .NET 8, we have Blazor web app auto mode. So, which will be having the solutions like this, which has Blazor web app and client. So, when we are running this, obviously in the client side also we need some dependency injections. Okay. So, some common services, I'm going to use it in some page. Okay. So when I'm trying to use it, ideally many are facing, even I from myself, I from probably from 3 4 days I'm suffering for this. I could not be able to get the solution, but I got it now. That's what I'm sharing now. See, we will be getting this. So even though we added the code, like if you check the ChatGPT or Copilot or whatever you say, you will get the code like this, add like this, either the first way or second way, something like that. You add it, it works fine like that. But ideally, it is not. Even for that purpose, just the same code, I just kept it under this. I just made a try to make the code separation of code always cleaner. So like this, the same code I kept it here and I called from here. Okay, still it won't work. Now also I'm getting the same issue, the same page I'm running. Okay, quickly let me run it. If I just instead of this here, what I did is very simple. The same thing. It's the extension method for iService collection of this particular one. Instead of calling it in the client project, you can see it is a client project. Instead of calling it in here, call it from web app project. Then it works fine. Okay, the solution is this only. I can't show the page because I have some confidential info. So totally the solution is this only. Instead of calling the things from client side, you just call it from the server side. And here one more brilliant thing you have to do is, probably you might think you can directly call this particular one, all those things. Ideally no. The reason is the services, all those things we are having, it's only within the client project. Okay, it's just a local, uh, the client means, probably Wasm or running WebAssembly. It runs only in the user browser. Okay, this particular features has been used in this particular project, has been added as a reference in this particular one. But still, don't add each and every dependency, each and every services in the what do you call web app program.cs. Okay, it makes your code very clumsy. Okay, always maintain a separate code. So here, instead of calling it, this is client project, but in the server project, add this particular one. And also one more is, call this before add razor components, then it automatically works. The point is simple. So service resolution, dependency injection resolution in client project, client WebAssembly project in .NET 8 web app auto mode. Cool. Keep coding. I'll be sharing the same thing like this in the Blazor for whatever I experience the new things. Please, if somebody getting the same thing, please share, because since Blazor is a very early stage baby, in fact, everyone has to cooperate to make this open source very well. Cool. Thank you. Keep coding.